The clock says 2:22 as I'm recording this. Hello, beautiful ones. So last night, during this very deep channeling, I received what appears to be a different kind of light language than what I usually bring through. So I asked, and the transmission now is to clear leftover static in your energy field. So take a few deep breaths and just take it in. Wow. There you go. There you have it. Mwah. Much love to you. I almost sent you my much love. Much love to you. I'm so excited. New light language. There you go.